In this video, I will show you how to use the if function to check if the date is between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have start and end dates in cells C2 and C3 respectively. I also have a table containing a list of transaction dates in the E column. Now I want to check if the transaction dates are between the start and end dates. If yes, I want Excel to return yes in column F, and if it is not, I want the value as no. To do that, I will use the Excel if function. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type if followed by an opening bracket. The first argument of the if function is the logical condition to check. To check if the transaction date is between start and end dates, we need to check two conditions. First, the transaction date should be greater than or equal to the start date, and second, it should be less than or equal to the end date. Since we want both of these conditions to be true, I will use the end function. I will check if the date given in the cell E3 is greater than or equal to the start date given in cell C2 as the first parameter of the end function. Likewise, I will check if the date given in the cell E3 is less than or equal to the end date given in cell C3 as the second parameter of the end function. Overall, the end function returns true if the date is between two dates. We need to provide the value if the condition is true as the second argument, so I will type yes in double quotes. If the date is not between start and end dates, then I want the cell to have a no value, so I will provide the no in the double quotes as the third argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, if the transaction date is between start and end dates, then the column F shows yes value, and if it is not, then it shows no value. Since we have used a formula, the values in column F are returned dynamically. So if we change start or end dates, column F values are generated dynamically according to the new start and end dates like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.